Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Saily eSIM on iPhone. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your App Store. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, use the search function right here at the bottom right. Now go to the top, tap on the search bar and just type down Saily. Once done, tap on Saily eSIM or Saily itself, and you'll find it right here. You can tap on Get, and then just wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, you can tap on Open, wait for the app to load, and then just go ahead and tap on Login or Sign Up, and then just log in with your Google account. Wait for it to load, and once done, if this is your first time, it might need you to verify your identity, so go ahead and verify, follow simple prompts, and once done, in no time, you'll have your Saily activated in your iPhone. And that's how easy it is to install Saily eSIM on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.